Hello guys, welcome to UE phone video. The protagonist in this video is the purple iPhone 11. It can be seen that the back cover glass of the phone has been broken. According to customers' requirements, we will replace it with a back glass back cover. First, we remove the two fixing screws at the rear of the phone. After hitting the phone, use a tool to open the gap on the screen, and then use the paddle to open the screen. After opening the screen, first, remove the cover screw of the screen cable and the battery cable cover. Remove the board screws. Disconnect the battery cable after removing the cover, and then disconnect the screen cable from the headrest cable. Then we can take off the screen. Then we disconnect the rear camera cable. Unscrew the rear camera cover screw. Remove the cover and take out the rear camera. Continue to disconnect the front camera cable. Take out front camera and Face ID components. Now we continue to assemble the SIM card holder. First, disconnect the FPC cable. Unscrew the SIM card holder cover screw. Remove the cover. Disconnect the SIM card holder cable. Remove the SIM card holder. Continue to disconnect the wireless charging cable and the antenna cable. Unscrew the motherboard fixing screw. Remove the cover. Disconnect the GPS cable, volume button and the power button cable. The motherboard can now be completely removed. Continue to disassemble the rear speaker and the vibration motor. First, take out the screw that fixes the cover. After removing the cover, tear off the middle sticker. Remove the screws that secure the speaker. Then take out the speaker. Then unscrew the screw fixing the vibration motor. Disconnect the motor cable and remove the vibration motor. After hitting the back of the phone, throw out the adhesive of the battery and take out the battery after removing the battery. Continue to remove the screws of the secondary board of the mobile phone and take out the secondary board. Then remove the wireless charging module. Now we will replace the removed parts to this brand new back cover. The speaker and the vibration motor at the bottom of the phone have been installed before. Now let's install the wireless charging module. Then install the motherboard. Buckle the GPS, volume and power button cables. Buckle the cover and tighten the screws. Continue to install the SIM card holder. Screw on the fixing screws. Buckle the SIM card holder cable and wireless charging cable. Install the cable cover and tighten the cover screws. Then install the rear camera and buckle the camera cable. Continue to install the Face ID components and buckle the Face ID cable. Put new adhesive on the battery and install the battery. After attaching the screen glue, you can start to install the screen. Fasten the screen cable and receiver the cable. Install the cover and tighten the cover screws. Tear off the Face ID protective film. Now that all the parts have been installed, install the screws and turn it on.